Good morning, children. Happy Independence Day in advance. Today we are going to make drawing related to Independence Day. Okay? So we are making a picture related to Independence Day. So we will take a theme of unity. Unity means in this country only so many peoples are there, like South Indian, North Indian, every peoples are there in the same country. Okay, that is called India. So we are making a drawing. Okay, so first we need pencil and eraser only. You have to make any religion like Muslim, Pandit, or South Indian, Punjabi, Buddhism, or Christian. Any religion you can make it. Okay, so I am making one South Indian. You can take landscape or portrait, anything you can take it. Okay, first you have to make a circle. Okay, I am making it light, so you have to make also light. Okay, then you have to make ears. Then from here you have to make straight line, and same from this side. Okay, then from little this side see, it has to go outside little. Same from this side. Understood? Next, like South Indian, almost Pandit and all have small pony type. Okay, that we will make. Then we will make lungi. Then like a foot. This we are drawing like an animation. Okay, cartoon type, you can tell that also. So one hand should be like at the back side. We will pretend that, and one hand like holding a flag. This will be complete later. Okay, next I am making Punjabi. Okay, like South Indian and Punjabi I am making. So for that they are using turban. So same circle we will draw. Then from the head we will draw turban. And in the center one cloth. Okay, we will not make ears of them because their ears are hidden inside the turban. Okay, Then for inside we will make one small circle and beard. They're having lots of beard. Okay, this is a smiley, and from here the beard ends. Then their kurta. Their patiala means it's like same like a lungi type, but they are wearing it very different type. And little big we can make it kurta. We will make it little big. And same foot. Now this is one hand back and one hand like this. So same we will make one hand back and one hand like this. See, this should be make broad, and both the side they have to stand like equally. Okay, now we will make hand like they are holding it. Now little more up we will do this line, and we will make flag. Little base. Okay, now we will make details. Okay, now for this again one small circle or oval, a big smile, eyes, and their kumkum. Understood? Little more you can make towel bed. Now we will do poster color on it. See, we taken poster colors. Already I am having color on my color palette. So what color you have to take? See, in the dresses it's up to you. What color you want to do it, you can do it. In the flag, you know the particular colors are there. Okay. So I taken black, sky blue, dark green, white, blue, orange, yellow orchard and red. Okay, so already I am having color on my color palette, so I will take from it. Okay, so if you don't have to, you can take from the color bottles and put on your color palettes. You have to take thin brushes. See, I am having this is 8 number and this is 6 number. If you don't have this numbers, so what thin brush you having, you can take it. Okay, so start coloring. Take water let's start. See, we will start from the South Indian. South Indian people's having like their dark tone they having. So I'm not telling that you have to give the dark tone, what tone you have to give it. It's up to you. Some people having fair tone also, some medium, some very dark. See, different types of skin tones are there. So we will use here like I'm using white and I will include little black on it. Okay, it will be like gray type color. Okay. Lift the smiley area and fill it full. See, we done it in the color. Okay. Now South Indian peoples are wearing mostly white cloths. Okay. So it's up to you if you want to do white cloth or any color on it. So you can make it that also. I am taking little blue and more white. So it will be colored like white only, but little it will be included. So first I will do in the cloth. See, on the kurta I am done it little blue and more white. Now in the towel and in the lungi it will be like same color. So I am taking same white. See, it also having little blue tone, but you can see the difference of kurta and towel color. And same this color we will do in lungi also. See, we done it. Now we will do the color in Sardarji. Okay, so their turban will be like I am taking orange, little orange and yellow, red. We have to make it more dark because pencil shade is there. So again I am taking little red and orange. One more coat I will give in this turban. See, now pencil mark is not there. Little is there, that we will do outline with the black and it will be height. Next we will take red color and in the center of this turban there will be a cloth. We will do this color there. Okay. Now we will do color in their cloth. So for that we will take blue. See, kurta I done it with the dark blue. Next I will take again red color and I will do in their pajama. See, for their skin tone I will take this yellow orchid. Okay, already I'm having in the color palette, so I will take it from there itself. You have to do in the nose. And in the skin. Don't do in the beard. I will take orange more and I will do it in the turban again because its color is like fed up. So the color was fade, so I am again doing direct orange in the turban. Okay, now we will take black paint and in the pony of the South Indian in the shoes. See, black I done in the beard and in the foot also. See, I forgot to don't do color in the smiley. I done it fully. If you also do like this mistake, na children, let it be dry, then you can make smile with the white color. Okay, now we will do color in our flag. See, I done it color. Now we will make smiley of the Sardarji. See, white color I taken. And make it dry only, don't take water. If you will take water na, to black color also we will mix with the white. See, done it. Now we will make detail with the black pen. Okay, at the bottom what you have to take, wet your brush very properly, little black only, and like this you have to move it. Okay, now we will make details with the black pen. See, we're done with the black outline with the black pen. Okay, in the bottom also you have to do, in the turbans you have to make lines or in the pajama like this. Okay, now this kumkum we will make with white pen or whitener. Okay, I am having white pen. Make kumkum of it with the white pen. Three lines and red sketch pen to make it dot. See, it's looking proper South Indian. So if you children don't want to make either South Indian or Punjabi, you can make, see, like this also I had made it, or any slogan you can write in this, like India Independence Day, unity in. So see, Pandit, Punjabi, South Indian, Maharashtra, Muslim, Buddhism, Christian and Englishman, Britisher man, you can tell that also. You can make like this also, see. But your theme should be like unity only. Like in this nation, in this country only, this all peoples are living together. Okay? Thank you and hope so you like it and make it your own try. Okay?